Leo, hi there. Nice to see you guys again. Let's do your reading for the month of July 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. We're going to look at the cards for you and see what we have in the month of July. I guess that was one of the first card I've ever got in my entire reading. It was very fast. Almost 2 seconds, I believe. Less than that. 2 seconds and Two of Wands. Nice way to start the reading, guys. Two of Wands is having a plan, and you should have a plan in the month of July. Similarly, even Libra, or someone has got Libra or Gemini. Either two of them have got similar message, I believe. Two of Wands suggests that you have to have a plan in the month of July, and that's where everything has to start. And I believe you already have a plan which is very colorful. Very, very colorful. Two of Wands. Have a plan, be clear what is it, so that universe can conspire you to get it very soon and very fast. Four of Wands. Lot of Wands energy. You can do it at your home. Now, due to this pandemic and coronavirus thing, we are, stuck in our homes and not able to go outside and explore the outside world. So Four of Wands is home. You can do at your home the realization and the achievements of your goals and plans, whatever you have. So plan it that way. Keep in mind that you can't go outside right now. Universe is saying you have to be in this Four of Wands energy. You have to stay at home. So have plans such that you can do it at your home only. Okay. Have a clear plan, and so that universe will compare you to get it. 2 and 4. It is a multiple of 2. So 2 might be significant for you in the month of July. Remember that. You might be having your birthday at July 2nd or anything 2, 20, 22 or 12, anything 2. Devil card, even Aries got. I just finished with Aries. Devil card is a major arcana, and I can see this. Okay, this is the third card, Leo, and Leo is all about fire because Leo is a fire sign, and it is no surprise all these three cards, including the Devil, represents fire. And you can see this is Two of Wands, numbered 2, Four of Wands, numbered 4, 2 and 4. You are missing the 3 over here, and everything happens for a reason, Leo. Remember that. Devil is the next card. Devil is something like an illusion. It is Maya. It is magic. So that's the Devil card. So you can't see the 3 over here. So you will realize that you have just missed the third 3. So while you're having this plan, and when you're focusing onto your Four of Wands energy, your household things, doing your studying books or doing things at your home, when you're having plan at your home, suddenly you'll miss something which is very important that you have not noted down. So how can I tell you is, in this case Devil, I'll tell you what it means. You'll actually start writing something. You'll create a schedule, you'll create a plan, and you'll think that you have finished everything successfully, the format of it. Later you'll realize that you've skipped something and you have to again redo everything. So that is Devil. Devil is something that Devil, what it does is, in this case, most of the time, Devil does what it does is, it will make us do things multiple times, so that we get perfect in that, and it looks perfect. The end result will be good, but you have to do it multiple times, because one thing is we have to learn a lesson that next time we have to do it slowly and keep our mind and soul into whatever we do, and that's one thing. Okay, because normally Devil card is such a good card to come out. The energy of Devil is very good, because if you do something right now, if you have a plan, if suppose it is successful, okay, later you'll think like you didn't do best, you didn't do much, you didn't do, it was like flow of water, it was very easy, you feel like you didn't achieve that much. Whereas if you have few obstacles in between and learn few lessons and restructure it and reprogram it, eventually the final result will be much better. It will be much better. Okay, so that's what devil does. Okay, it's not a bad card to come out, it's just a obsession, it's a cycle which is very fast. The best way to extend devil is take a ball which is rotating in the cycle and move it very fast, having thousands and thousands of RPM. That energy is nothing but devil. It wants us to do things multiple times. And speaking about it, I also researched that in our brain. I didn't research it much, but I'll again cross check it and I have to go in depth about it. Doing things multiple times, I already know about it a little bit, but I didn't go much specific and scientific, and biological way into it. But I know the outer surface of it, about our subconscious mind and how doing repeatedly helps our subconscious mind to store that information. So repetition is definitely very important. So, and yeah, next is Daughter of Cups. And yeah, I forgot to tell you this. The scientific part, what I'm actually telling you is, inside our brain there is actually a part of our brain that holds that energy of storing the repeated things, and that will actually relate to the subconscious mind. I'm not saying that is subconscious mind, but that will help to store. But remember, subconscious mind is also storage, but not really. Okay, not really that it is subconscious mind. We have to explore more about it. Okay, I'm just telling you in the surface. That's the reason I'm telling you I have to study more about it and go in depth. Daughter of Cups. You got Cups energy, so all these are fire and this is Cups. Interesting to see. See, devil, one more thing, devil is also changing of the energy and environment, because you can see in the Aries reading they got all Cups energy, and after this card came out they got all Wands, because this is Wands, and now everything is started with Wands for you, and Devil card came and change of energy, and you got emotions, Daughter of Cups. So devil does that, and it you're having a time to reflect on yourself is what I'm saying. You're contemplating on yourself is also what I'm saying. I feel like your parents, your mom or parents might actually tell few things about yourself, about your childhood things, and you might actually recall about it for other few people. Six of Pentacles. Growth. It's going somewhere, guys. I feel like you're missing few things in your life which is very important. So take that in mind. Anyways, I feel like it has to happen also. It has to happen in a way, because right now universe is trying to bring you through a particular direction which you have to focus right now, which is very important. You are actually skipping few things and focusing on one thing which is very important, because you have to do it right now. It is the karma. but later you remember that you have to clear a few things which you have skipped in the past, or you are skipping right now. You have to come back later in the future, so remember that. So that is Six of Pentacles, reaping the rewards. Six of Pentacles also means going back and fixing things. Okay, remember that. So as I told you, might go back and fix things. That might be significant. But to go back and fix things, first you have to fix few things over here. I saw Three of Swords. Also in the back I saw Three of Wands. It just flashed. 3 and 3. As I said, you're missing the 3 over here. 2, 4, you're missing the 3 over here. Three of Swords. You will realize that, oh no, it's I should have done it that time only, but remember, and you will feel sad. Three of Swords. But remember, Leo, it has to happen. It has to happen because at that moment of time, I feel like you're not in the stage right now where you skipped something in the past, but in the future it might happen. So you're doing something which you are skipping few things right now, okay, is what I'm sensing. And in the future you have to come back and you have to solve that what you're skipping right now, okay. But remember, at that time you will feel sad also. Three of Swords. I'm telling you, that time in later it's in the month of July only, okay. Okay, it is all July readings. It might extend, if you're rising sign, it might extend till mid of the next month, that is August, mid-August. So you'll feel sad, but remember, it is for you to bring into a direction which is very important. So there's a Two of Wands. You got exactly below. That's why I'm showing you. Don't feel sad about it in the later. Remember, it is all for your growth. Six of Pentacles. Let's see what else is going on. Son of Pentacles. Interesting. It's all about your finances and career is what I'm saying, because this is Six of Pentacles. What you will be doing, which is very important right now, is also related to your career and money and finances. Later in the future, I told you have to come back at this moment of time which you skipped. That is also related to career and Pentacles. Son of Pentacles. So that's one message. This is also very important, which you have skipped right now. It is also very important. That's the reason you have to come back. Because now let me tell you, you might say that why not I do two things? That doesn't work. You have to focus on one thing, and once you focus on one thing only, you can achieve that successfully. If you do multitasking, it doesn't work here, okay. We are not that capable in this case, because two are very important and universe wants to help you with that, okay. Remember that. So if situations doesn't align itself according to the structure, the time will align itself and the energies will align itself. Remember that. High Priestess, Major Arcana. So now you'll realize that why it has actually happened. You'll realize that this pain is I felt sad, but now I realized, and now you're much more educated and have much more knowledge. Everything happens for a reason, guys, okay. So remember that. And even in the future, I feel like you'll be much more aware of these things, and you also will help others, is what I'm saying. So it's all about learning the secrets. So not all of them will experience these things, right? Only few people, the chosen ones, will experience all this sacred knowledge. So this is a sacred knowledge which I just shared. So you'll learn all these things. That's interesting. The cards wanted to come out. I saw Hermit card. I'll take it anyways. It's fallen down, but I'm not sure. I also saw Five of Pentacles is what I'm feeling. I'm not sure. It's just a flash of, just a small flash, okay. It was behind, but I didn't see the entire card, so I can't guarantee you. But it might be 5 of Pentacles, most probably. But I didn't take it. I took Hermit card because it was face up, even though it was falling down. And Hermit card, as I said, learning secrets. You'll realize, you'll also share. I feel like you don't share it. I feel like you don't share this. High Priestess is very secretive. You'll get to know these things, but you don't share it. Now, Hermit mode is again seeking answers. I feel like you want to go deep into this. You want to go deep into this, is what I'm saying. You want to learn more, is what I'm feeling. But you're not sharing it. You're almost, Hermit is like a guy who takes the lantern and crosses across the mountain and gains enlightenment, looking at the stars. But he does it when no one is looking at him. That's Hermit mode. He's an old man who takes the lantern. He climbs the mountain, very high mountain. He looks at the stars and gains knowledge. He's an old man, okay? But he does it at night, midnight, when everyone is sleeping and no one notices him. Because even in the early days, I'm not sure, okay? But I feel like they do it secretively because in the early days, it does relate. Not with Hermit, it might relate to Hermit, but definitely in early days it happened. When people were in Hermit mode, others were thinking that they were doing illegal things. They were contacting other unnecessary extraterrestrial beings and getting knowledge from, but that is spirituality. But mostly religious people might think that way, okay? But it's spirituality. They are not contacting any extraterrestrial beings. We can't channel like that, okay? If we channel high extraterrestrial beings, guys, we will be controlled. And remember that our frequency doesn't even match with their frequency. Okay? Their frequency is very high. We are limited. We are third dimensional beings. We are limited with certain amount of frequency. We cannot channel 4D beings. Unless when 4D beings come to us and explain how 4D is and their frequency, only then we can. For example, an ant is 2-dimensional. If an ant moves, we can explain the ant. We can put a paper like this vertically and say, look, this is 3rd dimension, like that. We can try to explain it. It might understand. Okay? There's no guarantee. There are chances. But ant doesn't come to us and ask, right? So people have to understand that. 7 of Wands. That's interesting. You might be connecting with Aquarius, is what I'm saying. What I'm feeling. Because Aquarius also got this card, the Devil card. And as I said, they were having Cups energy altogether. After this card came out, they got Wands. For you, it's exactly opposite. You got Wands in the beginning. After this card came out, you got Cups energy. Even this also Aquarius got. So I feel like Aquarius will notice. Aquarius will notice you. You will actually do secretively. You will not tell anyone, but you will try to learn about it. You will have an intention to learn, and while you're going after that, suddenly one among them. I feel like not only Aquarius, there are many people over here who is noticing you because you can see the fire over here. You're carrying the fire. To getting to know the answers, you're walking along with the fire. And walking represents getting to know the answers. Okay. And this fire represents the safety. Okay. Feeling safe. And being secretive. Not having anyone. That's the representation of the fire. And even here you can see, while you're doing that, people will notice you. Okay. It might be many people over here, like 5 people are here. 6 people are here. It might be 1 also, because Aquarius has got this. There might be Aquarius. These are all psychic messages, so take it as a grain of salt again. Judgment. Judgment, every time judgment comes, I'm telling, I don't know anything. Okay, I can just tell you when judgment comes, I don't know anything about the situation, what will happen next. It only depends on your actions, because judgment, what it does is, it's a pressure cooker. Pressure builds up, and depending on the pressure, the pressure will be released. So that's judgment. So a time comes when pressure builds up, and it will be like an awakening almost. Judgment is almost that. All I can tell you is, there'll be a particular time where you have to decide either to go this way or that way. I feel like that's the best way I can explain judgment. I'll figure it out even further, but all tarot readers can only tell only this much about judgment, and it's also one of the mysterious cards. And you can see all tarot readers, even though they want to get to know the answers, we can't get to know, and it will seem like we are holding something back when judgment comes. Trust me guys, we don't know anything about it much when this card comes out, as far as I know, because that's all it is. So a time comes when you'll get to know what happens next. This person may notice you, but they won't speak anything, and even you don't know that they might notice you. Things might happen that way, just psychically, I'm telling you, because you might be focused on yourself more and walking confidently, and they are in the dark. These people are in the dark. If people are in the dark, you don't even see them, right? So remember that. So nothing to worry guys. Don't be thinking that something will happen in the future, what to do. Judgment comes when you least expect it. So don't even expect when it will come. So it will come when you least expect it. So if you do good things, you'll get good things. So if you, for example, if we tell the truth, right, what will happen? We don't have to think that much. If you tell a lie, then the lie builds up, and you feel like, okay, if some conversation comes regarding that, again I have to lie, and I have to add some layers to it, so that people can't dig and see the truth when you lie. So lie, when you tell a lie, karma, you have to face it. You have to be applying layers and layers, and it will become a big thing, I'm telling you. So that's why we have to always speak the truth. I'll also tell you why you have to speak the truth, and why truth is very important. Okay, that's the reason. There are many things regarding the universe. The government is holding back a major secret regarding the principles of the universe. They're not sharing us. Even the Emerald Tablet, okay, they actually kept it as a secret, but eventually it came out, all the 7 Hermetic principles. And those people actually wrote it down in the stone for us only, because it'll help us and guide us. But it's not that government should take over it. It can take over it, but we should also share the knowledge with us, right? So there are many things guys, it's not only this. From the early days, people have written few scriptures, they have carved in the walls few information, and government is fooling us that we don't know the language. But we have so much of technology, we can even we have the technology to cipher it into a plain text, but they are hiding us. Even though if it is a different language, guys, if things are repeating, we can form it as a language. We know that. If I give you a sentence, and if we can create languages, guys, we can assign our letters into numbers, and even though if I don't tell you the order of it and the meaning of it, you can get to know by repeated words what it means, and somehow we can get to the meaning also if we dive deep into it, if there is much more amount of information. Remember, they have written so much. It's not small amount of information. They have written so much. They've written in so many places. It's in many, it's a popular language. It might be a very popular language is what I'm feeling. But government says we don't know what is the language. They don't share the information, they just keep it with themselves. There are few places which are not accessible with us for us also. They're restricted. They say if you cross, you're trespassing. So what is this? So there are many many things, and we can't do anything. Okay, we should follow the rules also. We can't trespass, so we can't do all these things, and we never know what is inside. And also many, actually, if you look into it, all the law of attraction stuff came out when it was actually stolen, when the information was stolen. So yeah, that's how universe is. All the principles, all the 7 hermetic principles, the emerald tablet, and including the law of attraction, everything was actually stolen by a guy. And I believe one guy actually sacrificed his life also during the process, I believe. I read a story regarding that, and it's it's a major thing. And luckily we have few very important information, and the future definitely will come out eventually. Because karma, right? If someone have an intention to help us, that intention is definitely enough to help us. I'm telling you, even though if they are not there right now, that intention what they had at that time to help us, that is definitely enough, guys. And if we put our intention that we have to learn, I feel like there's nothing stopping. There's nothing that can stop. So yeah, that's something I want to share. And if you want to watch the reading again, feel free to do that, Leo. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down below. I'll be happy to reply for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys for so much support. We are almost reaching 800 subscribers. I'm very happy for the support as well. And series also will be releasing soon, so stay tuned. I've planned it very well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Leo.